Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. There is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Okay guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. Okay, if you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis. Right from the support zone, it started an uptrend. That is why you are seeing the yellow flag, and it has been buying since then. And of course it is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, of course if it's unable to break out from that resistance zone, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so you should take note of that. Okay, so in case it's unable to break out from there, so it will definitely sell. Okay, now let's move on to boom 500. Okay, so guys, this is boom 500. This was on downtrend before, but got to this support and wasn't able to break out from there, so it started buying right from here. Even though it played around there for a while, but it bought for a while, got to this resistance and was unable to go further, so it is pulling back at the moment. Okay, if it's unable to break out from here, then definitely it will go back into a buy trend again and try to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. So this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity, most especially once it is done with the pullback. Okay, so we should take note of that. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 started a downtrend right from here, even though the movement is not that smooth. Okay, and of course guys, it has been having a major pullback in between, but it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It started an uptrend from here, got to this region, had a major pullback, and of course it's trying it out again. It's going up again, and of course probably once it breaks out from here, definitely it will be trying out this resistance zone somewhere here. Okay, so this is very important. So this is buying at the moment. Okay, we should take note of that. Okay, next asset, which is going to be the last one, is volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Volatility 75 started a downtrend right from here. You can see the red flags and the red arrow, and it is still selling at the moment. We just need it to break out below this support zone. Okay, we need it to break out below here. Once it breaks out below there, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and you can also drop your questions within the comment section. I would appreciate that. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.